Hi, Beans. Are you happy to be home? Yeah, you're happy that you're watching your Paw Patrol, aren't you? Yeah, you are. You got the hiccups. You got the hiccups, Beans? Yeah? You know how many times I burped you today? Who should not have the hiccups? Who should not have the hiccups, honey? I don't get it. I just don't get it. I think you store those burps. I think you do. You won't admit it to me, but I think you do. But that's okay. I get you a binky and those hiccups will go away. Hi. Hi, mamas. What are you doing? Oh, you and your Paw Patrol. You're just a happy camper now. You weren't happy earlier when we were out. But we had to go get supplies. Supplies meaning food for you. Food for you, Beans. Yeah, we did. But we're home now. And we're chilling. And she's watching her Paw Patrol and she's a happy camper.